Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Be the Better You with Sridevi Ravichandran. This video is for anyone who wants to know about soft skills and its importance in career development. You can be a fresher, experienced professional, entrepreneur or anyone who wants to succeed. So the purpose of today's video is to provide an introduction to soft skills, and the topics that we are going to cover are meaning of soft skill and hard skills, difference between hard and soft skills, importance of soft skills, 10 essential soft skills of all time, steps to increase your soft skills. Before we learn about soft skills, let us understand about hard skills. Hard skills. These are specific teachable abilities that may be required in a given environment. These are the skills that are required to perform particular type of job. Hard skills are professional skills such as technical and administrative. These include your degrees, certifications and job titles. If you are working in a team of 10, all of them possess the same hard skill set. Now, how do you go to the next level? You may be very good in your job, technically very sound. So are the other 5 members in your team. In this scenario, how will you stand out? By demonstrating your critical thinking, interpersonal skills, adaptability, emotional intelligence, and so on. This will play a crucial role in your career success. Exhibiting required soft skills will give you the edge over the others. Now let us see more about soft skills. These are intangible interpersonal skills that are associated with an individual's ability to effectively interact with others. Soft skills are personal attributes that enhance an individual's interactions, job performance, and career prospects. Now we are going to see the difference between hard skills and soft skills. So, to be good at hard skills usually refers to your intelligence quotient, whereas when it comes to soft skills, it is all about emotional intelligence or EQ. Skills that can be listed in your resume, which can be exhibited through certificates, degrees, etc., that come under hard skills, whereas skills that cannot be easily quantified or measured are soft skills. Hard skills are skills where the rules stay the same regardless of which company, circumstance, or people you work with. Whereas when it comes to soft skills, it's all about self-management and people skills. So the rules change depending on the company's culture or the people you work with. Why do we need soft skills? To advance your career, to empower oneself, to have a better work-life balance, and to create more opportunities. So now I am going to say about 10 essential soft skills of all time. Creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, communication, interpersonal skills, positive attitude, adaptability, time management skills, being an effective team player, and your work ethic. I will post videos in brief about all of these skills listed here separately. So please watch the space. Okay. Now we are going to see the steps to develop your soft skills. Build self-awareness. So understanding yourself, finding out where you stand, analyzing your strength and weakness. Next comes your strengthening your weakness. For instance, if your analysis shows that you're not good in managing your time effectively, work on your time management. Plan your day in advance, schedule your day, increase your productivity, buy a planner, be consistent. It is all about changing yourself, not others. Please note that this is self-improvement. Focus on one skill at a time that you want to improve. Practice. Practicing regularly is the key. Hope this video was informative and helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more career related videos. Thanks again.